Get ready because today's episode is not like any other. We're going back in time traveling. Yes, we re-gone. Go back to episodes 36 to 40 and pull out the most mind-blowing study hacks that I didn't even know I had dropped. That's how good this episode is going to be. So buckle up. Let's dive in and see what secrets we find. Welcome back to Brain Boost Lab, where we supercharge learning and studying with science. And guess what? As I'm recording this, I'm getting goosebumps because the energy here is different. Because I realized I'm not just talking to you, I'm talking to my past self. And let me tell you, some of the things I'm about to show you, they blew my mind when I first learned them. So quick question before we start, which hack from episodes 36 to 40 was your favorite? Leave a comment, let me know. Now I'm guessing you're curious about why I suddenly went all nostalgic. Well, in this special episode, I'm taking you on a journey through the best study hacks from our previous episodes. Yep, you heard me right. We're traveling back in time to retrieve the most effective and game-changing study tips that I haven't shared yet. So hold on tight and get ready, because I'm about to show you some tricks that will make you feel like a time-traveling genius. Now, let us unlock the secrets hidden in the previous episodes and discover how to use them to upgrade your study game. But remember, this is a surprise visit. These hacks are a mystery. You won't know what's coming next. So keep watching until the end to uncover all the secrets. And now the moment you've been waiting for. Let's travel back in time. Hack 1 starts now. Ready to take your productivity to new heights? I've got a secret weapon for you called the Pomodoro Power-Up. Inspired by the famous Pomodoro technique, it's the ultimate hack to break through procrastination and boost your productivity. Here's how it works. Set a timer for 25 minutes and dive headfirst into your study session. This is your sprint. During this time, you'll experience a surge of intense focus and concentration, but don't get carried away. When the timer rings, take a 5-minute break and step away from your study materials. Use this time to relax, recharge, and clear your mind. And guess what? After 5 minutes of rest, you'll come back feeling refreshed and ready to tackle another 25-minute sprint. By alternating between focused work sessions and short breaks, you'll maintain high levels of productivity without burning out. Next hack, coming in hot. It's so simple, yet so powerful. Hack 2 is music mode for focus. Ever wonder how some students seem to study effectively in noisy environments while others need absolute silence? It turns out that background noise doesn't bother everyone equally. Some students actually thrive in it. So here's the deal. If you're someone who prefers silence, stick to it. But if you're like me and find that background noise doesn't affect your focus, consider trying instrumental music or lo-fi beats at a low volume. Why? Because it can actually help you block out distractions without overloading your brain. It's like having a personal sound shield that keeps external noises from disrupting your study flow. Hack No. 3 is all about working smarter, not harder. Are you an early bird or a night owl? To get the most out of your study time, you need to understand your energy rhythm. So here's what you do. Observe your energy levels throughout the day. When do you feel most alert and focused? Maybe it's in the morning, afternoon, or evening. Once you identify your peak energy times, schedule your most challenging study tasks for those periods. For example, if you're most focused in the morning, tackle that tough math equation or essay draft first thing in the morning, when your brain is fresh and energized. It's like tuning your body's internal clock to maximize your study potential. Let us talk about hack number 4. Are you tired of feeling sluggish and unfocused during long study sessions? It's time to switch up your study setup with the sit-stand switch. Hack. All you need to do is alternate between sitting and standing while studying. It might sound simple, but the benefits are huge. Standing while studying can actually increase your alertness and blood flow, giving you a boost of energy. Just make sure to take breaks when you're standing to avoid fatigue. And if you prefer to sit, find a comfortable position that promotes good posture and circulation. Now it's time for hack No. 5. The 5-second micro break. Got a little overwhelmed or feeling your focus slipping? Don't worry, we've all been there. Take a step back, literally. Step away from your study materials for just 5 seconds and look at something far off in the distance. Stretch your muscles and breathe deeply. Trust me, this tiny break can help you reset your brain and refocus on your studies. It's like hitting the pause button, clearing your mind and pressing play again. In fact, This technique has been shown to reduce eye strain and improve focus. As we continue this journey through time, we've uncovered some amazing hacks that can level up your study game. Now it's time for the bonus set of hacks. They're like hidden gems that you don't want to miss. Make sure to watch till the end to find out what they are. But before we move on, I've got a question for you. Which hack from the first part of the video blew your mind the most? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Hack No. 6. Light before night. If you want to stay alert and focused in the evening, here's a trick. Study under bright light in the evening and dim the lights 30 minutes before bed. Why? Because bright light helps you stay awake and focused. But dimming the lights triggers melatonin production, helping your body prepare for sleep. Hack number 7. Water trigger. Ever lost track of time while studying because you were too focused? Stay hydrated and keep yourself accountable with the water trigger hack. Drink a glass of water every time you finish a page or a section of your study material. Not only does this help keep your brain hydrated, but it also acts as a mini checkpoint, keeping you on track and motivated. No. 8. Whisper and write. This one might sound weird, but trust me, it works. When revising, try whispering what you're writing. This engages multiple memory pathways, making it easier to recall information later on. Hack No. 9. Nighttime review. Are you a night owl who finds it hard to focus during the day? Use the nighttime review hack to your advantage. Go over your toughest notes right before sleep. Your brain will work on processing them while you sleep, and you might find it easier to focus on them the next day. Hack number 10. The mental playlist. Want to create a study system that makes revising a breeze? Try the mental playlist hack. Associate a unique playlist with each subject. Each time you hear a song from that playlist, your brain will recall information related to that subject. And that's a wrap on all 10 hacks. I hope you found these tricks as amazing as I did. If you enjoyed this special time travel episode, hit subscribe and follow Brain Boost Labs so you never miss out on future hacks. Thanks for joining me on this wild ride through the world of study hacks. Till next time, happy studying and brain boosting. Welcome back to my channel. Are you ready to unlock the secrets of a sharper mind and conquer your next exam with flying colors? Today we're diving into the fascinating world of memory hacks. But before we dive in, hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on our neuro-boosting content. Let's get those brain cells firing. In this video, we're going to teach you how to use gum to improve your memory and study effectively. That's right. Simple tool can be a game changer when it comes to remembering what you study. So if you're ready to give your brain a boost, keep watching. We will explore why chewing gum while studying can have a profound impact on your ability to retain and recall information. Get ready to be amazed by the surprising connection between your senses and your memory. Why does gum help you remember things better? You might be wondering how something as simple as chewing gum could significantly improve your memory. Well, it all boils down to a phenomenon known as the context cue. When you chew a specific flavor of gum while studying, you create a sensory experience that becomes linked to the information you are trying to memorize. Your brain stores not only the facts and figures, but also the context in which you learn them, such as the flavors around you. This creates a powerful memory association. Here's how it works. Let's say you're restudying for an exam and decide to chew cinnamon gum while you review your notes. The aroma and taste of cinnamon stimulate your olfactory and gustatory sensory receptors. These receptors send signals to your brain, which processes the information and links it to the subject matter you are studying. As a result, the next time you smell or taste cinnamon, even if it's just the faintest hint of it, your brain is triggered to recall the information you studied during that session. This phenomenon has been backed up by scientific research. A study published in the Journal of Experimental Psychology found that subjects who chewed gum while performing a memory task recalled significantly more information than those who did not chew gum. The researchers concluded that chewing gum enhances memory by providing a contextual cue that helps retrieve information from long-term memory. How to use gum to improve your memory. Now that you understand the science behind how gum can boost your memory, it's time to put it into practice. Here are some tips to help you get the most out of this powerful study tool. Choose a flavor that you enjoy. The first step is to select a gum flavor that you like. This is important because you want to create a positive association between the gum and your study material. Pick a flavor that is pleasant and memorable, such as mint, citrus, or berry. Avoid flavors that are too strong or artificial, as they may become overpowering and distracting. Select sugarless gum. When it comes to choosing gum, it's best to opt for sugarless varieties. Sugar-free gum is less likely to cause dental problems, and it provides a cleaner sensory experience, allowing the flavor to linger without the interference of sweetness. There are many brands of sugarless gum available, so choose one that suits your taste preferences and budget. Chew gum during active study sessions. To maximize the benefits of gum for memory enhancement, it's crucial to chew it during active study sessions rather than passively. When you are actively engaged in the learning process, such as taking notes, reading, or solving problems, your brain is more receptive to creating associations between the gum flavor and the information you are studying. Simply chewing gum while staring at a screen or flipping through pages, without actively participating in the learning process, is unlikely to yield significant results. Link the gum flavor to specific topics. If you want to take your memory-boosting game to the next level, try linking the gum flavor you choose to specific topics or concepts you are studying. For example, if you're studying for a biology exam, you could chew mint gum while reviewing chapters on plant biology and citrus gum while studying animal biology. By creating these associations, you can further enhance your ability to retrieve specific information when you smell or taste the corresponding gum flavor. Use the same gum during review and testing to strengthen the connection between the gum flavor and your stored memories. It's essential to use the same flavor during review and testing sessions. This consistency reinforces the neural pathways associated with the information you have studied, making it easier to access the memories when needed. So whenever you sit down to review or take a test, make sure to have your chosen gum flavor handy. Take a break and come back to it. If you find yourself struggling to recall information during a test or review session, don't panic. Instead, take a deep breath, close your eyes, and try to remember the last time you chewed that particular gum flavor while studying. Mentally revisit that study session, associating the flavor with the information you want to retrieve. This technique can help break through memory barriers and unlock the knowledge you have stored in your brain. Be patient and consistent. While using gum to improve your memory can be highly effective, it's important to be patient and consistent with this approach. It takes time for the brain to establish strong associations between sensory experiences and memories, so don't expect instant results. Incorporate gum into your study routine consistently over several study sessions to see the full benefits. Additionally, be patient with yourself and trust that the memories you are forming will become stronger with practice. Remember, the key to success lies in your ability to form meaningful connections between the gum flavor, your study material, and the sensory experience. With practice and patience, you'll be able to harness the power of gustatory memory to achieve academic excellence. Conclusion: congratulations! You've now unlocked the secrets of using gum to supercharge your memory and study effectively. We've explored the fascinating world of memory hacks and discovered how this simple tool can be a game changer in your academic journey. As we wrap up this video, we encourage you to put this knowledge into practice and elevate your study game to new heights. Remember to choose a flavor you enjoy. Opt for sugarless gum chew during active study sessions. Link the gum flavor to specific topics, use the same gum during review and testing. Take a break and come back to it if you get stuck, and be patient and consistent. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and share it with your fellow students. We'd love to hear about your experiences with using gum for memory enhancement. So please drop a comment below and let us know how it works for you. Before you go, we have a special treat for you. Click here to access our free guide on brain boosting secrets. This guide will share additional tips and resources to help you optimize your learning, memory, and concentration. Don't miss out on this valuable resource. Thank you for joining us on this eye-opening journey. Keep chewing smart, and may your memory always be sharp. Stay tuned for more memory hacks and brain-boosting tips. Until then, happy studying.